Hey, it's Ricky here to do an honest review of this dryer lint cleaner. I feel like everybody who has a dryer should have one of these. I went so long not having something like this, and I am surprised that I went as long as I did. This thing is so handy for emptying out the lint trap, but not only for obviously this is like the simple part that you can empty out, but I'm talking about the part that's down deep inside of here that can be so hard to get to. We had a situation a few years ago where we had so much lint that was trapped in here that it was like a real problem for our dryer not functioning properly. So we had to tear the whole thing apart and get it all cleaned out until I found this product. And now I just use this for probably once a week or so and do a very like thorough sweep of it inside, and then I haven't had any issues with my dryer functioning at all since. So let me show you how this is. You have this part, this wider part at the end. You're going to connect it to the hose of your vacuum, and then I just take this piece and shove it down deep in here and get as much out as I can. So let me show you. So it's just that simple. You unhook it, and then you can just store this until you need it again. I highly recommend getting one of these if you have a dryer. I feel like everybody should have one of these. It makes cleaning so much easier, so definitely check it out.